Oh snap. Wow, you guys caught me. I'm out of the job. What's up, guys? Let me get my paper right here. Yeah. You know what, guys? I am very surprised my subscriber count went up. I thank you guys for subscribing. Right now I am on my other job. Yes, I am a CDL driver, and this is a mini bus. What does that? What, 62, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, like maybe like 16, held 16 passengers. So this is my other job, guys. It's a part-time job. It's not bad. So if you guys want to get your CDL, go for it. What can you do with the CDL? Well, first of all, anybody know what CDL is? It stands for Commercial Driver License. And that is what that's what you need to drive a bus. Sorry guys that I'm not looking at the camera, but I just gotta focus what I'm doing here. But guys, my subscriber count went up a little bit. More than 100. How did that happen? Gtoger did it. Or gtoger. Thank you very much, brother. Wow. I appreciate all you subscribers. I did see a question. I can't answer all of them right now, but I remember one question. The question was asked, it was about that gorilla or that animal. I don't know if it's a gorilla or what species it is, but it's actually it's not it's a real animal, but they filmed it on a green screen background. So what I did is I overlaid the video on my video, and I keyed out the green. That's how I was able to get the animal you know, with me. Sorry guys, give me a second here. One thing about driving a bus, guys, for those that are going for your CDL, you have to watch your back end. Always watch your back end. I mean, you gotta watch for everything, but when you're making those turns, your back end, it swings out a little bit. Always watch your back end, because you can do some major damage to vehicles, or you know, something. So, you know, this bus that I'm driving is for a senior center. I take seniors to trips, and I take them home. I take them to different places. It's a nice job to have, you know. Taking the seniors out and stuff. I am driving in the Bronx, in the Riverdale section of the Bronx right now. Like I said, I deal with the seniors and disabled. Those on wheelchairs, I use the lift to bring them up on the bus. So what's up, guys? You see me on my other job. This job is almost like a full-time job though, because I'm doing working 30 hours on this one. Driving is my bread and butter. Yeah, when you're driving a big vehicle, you gotta be careful how you drive that vehicle. You know your surroundings and all that, you know. And when you're driving a car, know your surroundings. Know what's around you at all times. Keep your head moving. I do not like driving in Riverdale in the Bronx, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Riverdale, they have so many narrow streets, and it is very, very hilly. So many hills. Know your role, know your role. Know your role, man. Now I can look at the camera. Yeah, waiting for the red light. It's Friday, guys. What day is it? January 25th, Friday, 4:07 p.m. I'm returning the bus back. So you guys are taking a ride with me on this bus right now. If you guys look at one of my videos, another one of my videos, you see that I'm driving the New Jersey Transit bus. I used to drive for New Jersey Transit. I used to drive the New Jersey Transit bus, and I drove for Coach USA, Saddlebit Tours. I gotta watch my mirrors. Always watch your mirrors, guys. You bus drivers. Oh, geez, my camera fell. Ah, that's wonderful. Hey guys, my camera fell. I can't do anything about it right now. Oh man. What's up, guys? My camera fell. That suction cup is not it wasn't sucking. Oh man. Fix my camera here. Put this in park. There you go. Backing up a bus, I have no helper. And when you don't have a helper, you better damn make sure you're not gonna hit anything, you know? I'm using all my mirrors, my backup camera, everything. I got that backup warning sound. Boom. I'll be back, guys. Oh, snap. I'm back in my car. Alright. I'm done. I am done. I am so done. I am so happy. I just finished. It's Friday. I'm gonna go pick up my wifey. Alrighty. Let's do this. So like I was saying, guys, wow, what a big jump in the subscriber count on my YouTube. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna try to get more videos. I mean, I have more videos, like I said. I know I keep saying it, but you know, the immediate videos like this one, I have to upload quickly. So thank you so much, guys. Now I have like about a half-hour drive to pick up my wife because traffic is just a mess, you know, rush hour traffic, you know. As always, guys, be safe, take it easy, easy breezy, be alert, know your surroundings. Alrighty, guys, I'll be back with more videos. Stay tuned, guys, stay tuned.